Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use Google Gemini with the power. To do this you have just to go to settings, and after that go to additional settings and scroll down until you will find Wake Google Assistant with power button. Just activate it, and now when you hold the power button for 0.5 seconds, Google Assistant will start, or Gemini, depending on what option are you choosing on your phone. And if you click like for more than 3 seconds, it will be like turning your screen off, as I will try now. So as you can see, I turned on Google Gemini. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.